So right now I'm going to show you guys how to clean the bottom of the boat here. if they got scum line, I already cleaned the top scum line. So now we're going to clean the bottom. I'll just show you guys real quick how I usually do the bottoms. And in my other video I had mentioned that basically you spray the whole cleaner, the whole bottom of it, and then just let it sit for about a minute or two, and then you can scrub it with a brush. In this case I'll be using this brush right here. It's a little bit stiff, so this should work. I mean, you can get these at Walmart and they should do the trick. And then you obviously want to rinse it once you're done doing the bottom. If you only got one brush and you're planning to use this brush for the whole boat, just to be safe, I don't think it'll cause any harm to the rest of the boat, but just to be safe, I always rinse it. After I do the bottom, I rinse it and then I clean the rest of the boat with it. In my case, I have two brushes. I use one specifically just for the bottom, and then I use another one for the sides. So I'll show you guys how I clean the bottom. So I'm going to grab my hull cleaner real quick, just spray it on there. And now we just let it sit for about a minute or two, and then we're gonna scrub it. Okay, so now it's time to use the brush and scrub the bottom. Basically what we're doing, we're agitating just so it can be easier to clean, or to rinse I should say. And now we're going to rinse it. And done. That is actually how I clean the bottom of the boats. And I got that scum line, so there's nothing in there anymore. It's all nice and clean. It's all nice and shiny. Like I said, that hull cleaner that I use, it doesn't strip out your waxes. So as soon as you clean that scum line, it looks nice and shiny again. So hopefully this tip helps you guys to clean the bottoms. Thank you very much. Remember, like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.